Hi, today I'll be doing a detailed review of the Chase IHG One Rewards Premier Credit Card, a hotel credit card that's built for frequent travelers and hotel loyalists. I'll walk you through everything you need to know, a detailed overview of what the card offers, its standout features, the pricing, the pros and cons, and a balanced conclusion. So let's get started. IHG stands for Intercontinental Hotels Group, which is a massive global hotel chain that includes well-known brands like Intercontinental, Crown Plaza, Kimpton, Holiday Inn Express, Even Hotels, Staybridge Suites, and more. If you often find yourself staying at any of these properties, whether for business or leisure, this card could be a total game changer for you. But this isn't just another travel card. The IHG Premier Card brings a mix of valuable perks, ongoing rewards, status benefits, and luxury travel features, all for a reasonable annual fee. Now let's talk about the main features. A massive welcome bonus. Right now, the card is offering a welcome bonus that gives you 5 free nights, and it ends soon. You get these 5 free nights after meeting the minimum spending requirements. These nights are worth up to 60,000 points each. That's a total of 300,000 points. So after you spend $5,000 on purchases in the first 3 months for an account opening, you earn this new card member offer. That's a huge incentive, especially if you can redeem at upscale or luxury properties within the IHG family. iPoints earning rates. This card allows you to rack up points very quickly. Now you earn up to 26 times total points at IHG hotels and resorts. That's 10 times points with this card, plus 10 times points from IHG on stays for being an IHG One Rewards member, plus up to 6 points from IHG on stays with Platinum Elite status, which is a benefit of this card. You also earn 5 points per dollar on travel, dining, and gas station purchases. On all other purchases, you earn 3 times points per $1 spent. This is amazing. There's also an annual free night certificate. Every year on your account anniversary, you receive 1 free night certificate. This night can be redeemed at any IHG property that costs 40,000 points or fewer. And if you find a property that costs more, you're allowed to top off the certificates with additional points. Gives you more flexibility. Fortnight free benefits. This is one of the most underrated perks. When you use your points to book a fortnight stay, the fortnight is completely free. This benefit is unlimited and can be used multiple times a year, making long stays far more affordable. Also, each calendar year you make purchases totaling $40,000 or more, you as the primary card member will qualify for Diamond Elite status through December 31st of the following year. They also offer travel and purchase coverage, which includes several insurance like the baggage delay insurance, lost luggage reimbursement, purchase protection, and trip cancellation and interruption insurance. There are no foreign transaction fees. This feature is a must-have for any travel card in 2025 because this means that you will pay no foreign transaction fees when you use your card for purchases that are made outside the United States. Now let us talk about the pricing of the card. The annual fee is $99. It is not waived in the first year, but is very reasonable when you look at all the benefits that you receive. The APR is also variable, ranging from about 19.99% to 28.49% based on your credit worthiness. And as mentioned earlier, there are no foreign transaction fees, which means this card is perfectly suited for international travel. What are the pros and cons of using the card though? First, the pros. You get a huge welcome bonus worth up to 5 free nights. Accelerated point earning, especially on travel and dining. Annual free night certificates with top-up flexibility, plus other perks, and there are no foreign transaction fees. How about the cons? The rewards are locked into IHG properties. There is no flexibility to transfer to airlines. And this card is also not ideal for travelers who prefer non-IHG hotel bra. So, is the IHG One Rewards Premier Card worth it in 2025? For the right traveler, it's a definite yes. If you're someone who stays at IHG properties more than a couple of times a year, whether that's for work trips, family vacations, or weekend getaways, this card more than pays for itself. If IHG is your go-to, or you're looking for a hotel card with strong value and good travel perks without the high annual fee of luxury cards, the IHG Premier Card is one of the best hotel credit cards that are available in 2025. And that's it on the review of the Chase IHG Premier Card. If you're looking to try other alternatives, you may explore Capital One Venture X, Chase Sapphire Preferred, and Hilton Honors American Express Surpass Card. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and share if you found it helpful, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more updates.